Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add symbols on Google Docs. So for that, we just need to open Google Docs. For opening it for adding some symbols, here on the top, you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here insert, click on that. From here is an option, you can see here symbols. And from here, you just need to choose which type of symbol, emoji, special characters, or equation that you wanted. Click on that, and from here you can just add that symbols like this. So this is how you can add symbols on Google Docs. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.